There we go. There's 3 separate.
Stay right here.
Yeah.
Here we go.
He's like, what's happening? I want to run away. There. She wants to get petted.
Yeah, you're gonna be super soft. Get your head.
Yeah. We get hurt.
Not your eyes.
Oh, let's get a close-up.
Flip her over. Flip over. There you go.
Close-up. I'm getting a close-up to his eyes.
This is harder to
I get back where I am. I need your eye. I want to look at it. Let's get a close-up. Close-up. I'm getting close to skin. Ah.
Hello, Mommy. Yep. We're dropping off the big towel and we're doing the little towel for his head.
Yeah.
He's
What are y'all
still
doing in here?
super
They
stuck.
couldn't get to their room.
Why not?
You were in our way.
Don't open that window, raining in it. Man,
I'm just cracking so they get some air in here.
open that one if you're going to open it, not that one.
Oh, he's so soft. Go show Grandma this video.
Janie
Make sure
stopped
it
the
ain't raining
video
when
when
you
we
do
were
it.
done and we don't